5 scientific truths about monogamy that contradict dominant romantic narratives. I have studied the evolution of human relational systems for over 2 decades and identified 5 empirical realities about monogamy that, although widely documented in scientific literature, remain surprisingly absent from most cultural discussions about relational commitment. It's not romantic idealizations that accurately describe our relational biology. It's these complex evolutionary truths that explain the intrinsic tensions we all experience in long-term bonds. Truth 1. Human monogamy is strategic, not natural. A relatively recent cultural innovation in our evolutionary history. It's not our default biological state. It's that particular social adaptation that emerged primarily to ensure stability in the intergenerational transmission of resources, creating that paradox in which our neurobiological system is constantly in tension with our social structures. Truth 2. Extramarital sexual attraction is neurologically normative, the persistence of sexual interest outside the couple. It's not dysfunction or immorality, it's that neurological reality in which sexual desire circuits and emotional attachment operate through distinct systems, making that dissociation between emotional exclusivity and diversified sexual interest a common condition, regardless of the primary relationship's quality. Truth 3. Serial monogamy is our prevalent pattern, the natural evolution through consecutive partners. It's not relational failure, it's that evolutionarily consistent sequence in which the majority of humans establish a series of consecutive exclusive relationships, reflecting that reality in which permanent commitment with a single partner represents the statistical exception, not the biological norm. Truth 4. Sexual desire systematically decreases with familiarity, the paradox of relational security. It's not incompatibility or fatigue, it's that documented neurological phenomenon of habituation in which sexual arousal circuits respond primarily to novelty and uncertainty, creating that intrinsic tension between our parallel needs for security and stimulation. Truth 5. Infidelity is biologically predisposing, not simply characterological. The genetic complexity of fidelity. It's not simple moral weakness, it's that reality in which specific genetic variations significantly influence dopamine and oxytocin receptors, creating substantial differences in neurological predisposition to monogamy, regardless of conscious intention. Save this video, not to justify harmful behaviors, but to develop that more nuanced understanding that recognizes how our relational struggles are rooted not in personal failures, but in intrinsic evolutionary tensions that require awareness and intentionality to be successfully managed. Follow me for more relationship advice.